Hi everyone, welcome to this channel, and in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can set a default theme in Facebook Messenger app. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and don't forget to write comments after watching the video. Let's get to our theme with you. So, first of all, open the Facebook Messenger application. Next, find the correspondence where you previously set some sort of theme. It's going to look like this on the back, with a picture. Next, at the top, click on the name of the person you're texting with, and then go to Themes. As you can see, I currently have the avocado theme installed. And in order to set the default theme, you have to scroll to the very bottom until you find the Colors and Gradients subsection. And this is where you can see what your theme will look like next. For example, you can click absolutely on any of these colored circles. And you can see that if you install this theme now, you'll have a white background and just a colorful message on it. Or you can choose monochrome. If you choose monochrome, then your message will look like this. White background, and these are quite gray messages, but nothing will distract you. If you are satisfied with any of the options, you just save it. Then you move on to the correspondence. And as you can see, this is how you can set the default theme in Messenger app. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put likes, write your comments, and see you soon.